Good morning, ma'am. This is our report. How might the Earth's climate change in the future? The Earth's climate change has been changing for millions of years due to natural factors such as volcanic eruption, solar radiation, and orbital variation. However, human activities like burning fossils fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes have significantly increased gas emission, leading to concern about future climate change. So, greenhouse gas gases, uh, carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap heat, leading to global warming. Deforestation, forest clearance releases carbon dioxide and reduces carbon segmentation. Fossil flowing burning, coal, coal, oil, and gas emission release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases and their effects. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in Earth atmosphere, causes global warming. So there are greenhouse gases effects. There are six effects of greenhouse gases. Number one, global warming. Two, climate change. Three, ocean acidification. Four, atmospheric chemistry changes. Five, ecosystem disruption. And six is health impacts. Human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation release the gases into the atmosphere, increasing their concentration. The resulting increase in global temperature could lead to a range of climate change impacts, including more frequent and severe weather events, rising sea levels, and changes in precipitation.
This is my report, potential future climate scenarios. Based on current greenhouse gas emissions trend, scientists have projected a range of potential future climate scenarios. Under a high emission scenarios, global temperature would rise by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius by the end of the century, leading to more serve impact like widespread food and water shortage, increasing natural disaster, and mass immigration. A global a global average temperature called 4 to 6 degrees Celsius more by the end of the century compared to pre-industry levels. In contracts under a low emissions scenarios, global temperature would rise by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius, leading to less serve impact by still requiring significant adaptation effort. A global average temperature might increase by around 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Mitigation and adaptation strategy address future climate change. It crucial to implement mitigation strategies that reduce greenhouse gas emission. This includes transitioning to renewable energy resource, improving energy efficiency, and promoting sustainable land of practice like forestation. Uh, Mitigation and adaptation strategy. Climate change presents a significant challenge to your planet, demanding two approaches: mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation force of reducing the cause of climate change, while adaptation aims to lessen its impact. Additionally, adaptation strategies are necessary to help communities and ecosystem hope will be impact of climate change that are already occurrent of are unknowable. unknowable. This strategy include building resilient infrastructures, improve early warning system for a extreme weather event, and promoting sustainable agreement and water management practice. Thank you.